Are those skeuomorphic buttons making you lonely?
The heck is that?
That's your FigPal.
Your work time friend until the end. We're the helping hand to lend.
FigPals!
Always on your cursor's trail. Select, move, crop, scale.
They're your faithful FigPals! Wow!
So what does it do?
They follow you, reordering modes, collections too, they help out loads.
They watch you vibing and designing.
Whatever you make, they're always smiling.
Okay, cool. So it just follows my cursor around?
FigPals!
They love you deeply. They want to stay.
No matter what, they won't go away. Unless you turn the feature off.
Just don't forget to feed them.
Wait, I have to feed them?
Wow.
Listen, I've been working too late. I'm gonna get some sleep.
They don't like it when you go away.
It gets lonely inside the display.
So give them love. They only have you.
The more you do, the more they do.
They'll follow you around wherever you roam. Inside the screen, they call it home. They'll cheer you on with every click. They'll love you forever, just don't be a
Neglectful user.
You'll always love me, right, FigPal?
Get your FigPals while you can. They're only available during April Fun Week. Batteries not included or necessary. Each available separately. No assembly required. Figures do not move on their own. Colors and styles may vary. Do not try this at home. Safe for work. Do not use FigPals if you're on a tight deadline or all night, as their cuteness may be misconstrued as malice.